My dear students, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will be explaining the Telangana ICET 2024 Shift 1 exam, Section C, Communication Ability questions. Let's get started with a quick revision and some easy tricks to solve these questions fast. Stay tuned. Question 161. It is I who blank taking care of his children. 1 is, 2 am, 3 are, 4 were. Correct answer 2 am. Easy explanation. The sentence starts with it is I who. Here, who refers to I, so the verb must match I. We say, I am going. He is going. They are going. So, correct sentence is, it is I who am taking care of his children. Quick rule, 1 minute trick. Who is equal to subject before it match the verb with that subject. Examples. It is he who is. It is they who are. It is I who am. Trick, who follows subject verb matches subject. Final answer 2 am. Next question 162. I blank reading the book just now. 1. Have finished. 2. Finished. 3. Had finished. 4. Am finished. Correct answer 2. Finished. Easy explanation. The phrase just now means a short time ago, past time. So, we need a simple past tense verb. Let's check. I have finished present perfect. I had finished past perfect. I am finished wrong structure. I finished simple past. Correct sentence, I finished reading the book just now. Quick rule, 1 minute trick. If you see just now, always use simple past, verb plus ed. Trick to remember. Just now is equal to past is equal to finished. Final answer, 2 finished. Next question 163. By the time they reached the theatre, the movie blank already started. 1. Has. 2. Is being. 3. Has been. 4. Had. Correct answer, 4. Had. Easy explanation. By the time they reached, this is past tense. We need another action that happened before that in the past. That's where we use past perfect tense, had plus V3. The movie had started before they reached. Quick rule, 1 minute trick. When two actions happened in the past, the earlier action is equal to past perfect, had plus V3. The later action is equal to simple past. Trick to remember. Past before past is equal to had plus V3. Correct sentence. By the time they reached the theatre, the movie had already started. Final answer, 4. Had. Next question 164. He blank daily at 5 am. 1. Is getting up. 2. Has got up. 3. Gets up. 4. Has been getting. Correct answer, 3. Gets up. Easy explanation. The word daily means something that happens regularly. So, we need a simple present tense verb. Simple present is used for habits, routines, and facts. He gets up daily at 5 am. Why other options are wrong? Is getting up present continuous happening now, not habit. Has got up present perfect action already completed. Has been getting present perfect continuous action continuing. Quick rule, 1 minute trick. Words like daily, always, every day use simple present, verb plus ss. Trick. Daily is equal to habit is equal to gets up. Final answer, 3, gets up. Next question 165. Who wrote Julius Caesar? Change the voice. 1. Julius Caesar written by whom? 2. By whom was Julius Caesar written? 3. By whom Julius Caesar was written? 4. By whom is Julius Caesar written? Correct answer 2. By whom was Julius Caesar written? Easy explanation. Original sentence is active voice. Who wrote Julius Caesar? Subject who. Verb wrote past tense. Object Julius Caesar. In passive voice, object becomes subject. Julius Caesar was written by whom? But for a question, correct structure is by whom was Julius Caesar written? Why others are wrong? 1. Wrong word order. 3. Incorrect structure. 4. Uses is present tense instead of was. 1 minute trick. In voice change for questions. Who by whom? Tense stays same. Maintain question order. Trick. Who wrote becomes by whom was written? Final answer 2. By whom was Julius Caesar written? Next question 166. My friend was at loggerheads with his classmates. Find the meaning of the underlined idiom. 1. Head-on collision. 2. Strongly disagree. 3. Deeply in love. 4. In close association. Correct answer 2. Strongly disagree. Easy explanation. The idiom at loggerheads means to be in a strong argument or disagreement with someone. In the sentence, my friend was at loggerheads with his classmates. It means he was not getting along, arguing, or disagreeing with them. Why others are wrong? 1. Head-on collision about physical crash. 3. Deeply in love opposite meaning. 4. Close association means friendly. 1 minute trick to remember. Loggerheads is equal to locking heads is equal to fighting or arguing. Visual trick: imagine two people locking heads like goats in a fight. Final answer 2. Strongly disagree. Next question 167. Both the teams are playing very well. To choose between the two is a real toss-up. The underlined idiom means 1. It is easy to choose the winning team. 2. It is difficult to toss up the coin. 3. It is difficult to choose the winning team. 4. It is not necessary to toss up the coin to choose the winning team. Correct answer 3. It is difficult to choose the winning team. Easy explanation. The idiom a real toss-up means the chances are 50 to 50, it's very difficult to decide. In the sentence, both teams are performing equally well. So, choosing one is as hard as tossing a coin, you don't know who will win. Why others are wrong? 1. Says it's easy, but it's not. 2. Tossing coin isn't the real issue. 4. Misunderstood idiom. 1 minute trick to remember. Toss-up is equal to tossing a coin is equal to equal chances is equal to hard to decide. Visual trick: imagine flipping a coin when you are confused who will win. Final answer 3. It is difficult to choose the winning team. Next question 168. The protesting employees were asked to blank their strike. 1. Call over. 2. Call on. 3. Call off. 4. Call off. Correct answer 4. Call off. Easy explanation. The phrase call off means to cancel or stop something, especially an event or action like a strike. In the sentence, the protesting employees were asked to call off their strike. It means the strike should be stopped or cancelled. Why others are wrong? Call over means to summon someone. Call on means to visit or request. Call off is not a correct phrase. 1 minute trick to remember. Call off is equal to stop or cancel. Think off means stop. Final answer 4. Call off. Next question 169. He got blank the train. 1 off. 2 off. 3 down. 4 in. Correct answer 2 off. Easy explanation. The phrase get off means to leave or exit from a vehicle like a train, bus or car. So, the sentence means he got off the train. He left the train. Why others are wrong? Get off wrong preposition. Get down usually means to physically lower yourself or dance. Get in means to enter, used for cars, rooms, not to leave. 1 minute trick to remember. For leaving vehicles like trains or buses use get off. For entering vehicles or rooms use get in. Trick. Get off to leave, get in to enter. Final answer 2 off. Next question 170. Doctor advised him to give up junk food. The underlined phrase means 1. Continue. 2. Start. 3. Retain. 4. Abandon. Correct answer 4. Abandon. Easy explanation. The phrase give up means to stop doing something or quit a habit or action. In this sentence, doctor advised him to give up junk food means the doctor told him to stop eating junk food. Why others are wrong? Continue means keep doing something. Start means begin something new. Retain means keep or hold on to something. 1 minute trick to remember. Give up is equal to quit or stop. Think if you give up something, you leave it behind. Visual trick, imagine putting down a bad habit and walking away. Final answer 4. Abandon. Next question 171. Rama considered Raju blank genius. 1. A. 2. The. 3. And. 4. 1. Correct answer 1. A. Easy explanation. When we talk about someone being one among many with a quality, we use the indefinite article a before singular countable nouns. Here, genius is a countable noun meaning a very smart person. So, correct sentence. Rama considered Raju a genius. Why others are wrong? The means a specific genius known before, but here it's general. An is used before vowel sounds, but genius starts with consonant sound. One can be used but needs more words. Example, one of the geniuses. 1 minute trick to remember. Use a before singular countable nouns starting with consonant sounds. Think, a genius is equal to one smart person. Final answer, 1A. Next question 172. He gave the beggar blank 1 rupee note. 1. An. 2A. 3. The. 4. This. Correct answer, 1. An. Easy explanation. We use an before words starting with a vowel sound, a, e, I, o, u. Here, 1 rupee starts with the sound w, but the article depends on the sound of the first letter of the word that follows the article, which is 1 pronounced 1, starting with a consonant-like sound w. So actually, a is used with 1. Correction. Since 1 sounds like W, a consonant sound, the correct article is a. Correct sentence. He gave the beggar a 1 rupee note. Why others are wrong? An is wrong because 1 starts with W sound. The is definite article, not used here. This is demonstrative, not suitable here. 1 minute trick to remember. Use a before words starting with consonant sounds, including 1. Use an before words starting with vowel sounds. Final answer 2A. Next question 173. The boat moved gently blank the river. 1. Above. 2. Under. 3. Upon. 4. In. Correct answer 4. In. Easy explanation. When we talk about something moving inside or on the surface of water like a river, we use in. The boat is inside the river water, floating moving within it. So, the correct phrase is moved gently in the river. Why others are wrong? Above means over the river, but a boat floats on water, not in the air. Under means below the river, which is not possible for a boat. Upon is more formal and usually means on the surface of something solid like a table, not for water bodies. One minute trick to remember. Use in for moving inside water, river, lake, sea. Think boat floats in water, not above or under. Final answer 4. In. Next question 174. My friend has been exempted blank remitting the fee for the examination. 1. On. 2. From. 3. For. 4. Of. Correct answer 2. From. Easy explanation. The phrase exempted from means excused or freed from doing something. Here, the sentence means, my friend has been excused from paying the exam fee. Why others are wrong? Exempted on incorrect preposition. Exempted for incorrect. Exempted of incorrect. 1 minute trick to remember. Always remember. Exempted from plus action noun. For example, exempted from paying fees. Exempted from attendance. Final answer 2. From. Next question 175. Though he finished his studies long back, he has been still looking blank a job. 1. At. 2. For. 3. Upon. 4. Up. Correct answer 2. For. Easy explanation. The phrase look for means to search or try to find something. In the sentence, he has been still looking for a job means he is searching for a job. Why others are wrong? Look at means to see or watch, not search. Look upon means to consider or regard. Look up means to improve or search in a book dictionary. 1 minute trick to remember. Use look for when you want to say searching. Think, I am looking for my keys. Final answer 2. For. Next question 176. Applet is 1. A small apple. 2. A small Java application that is downloaded from Java-based web. 3. Browser. 4. Apple berry. Correct answer 2. A small Java application that is downloaded from Java-based web. Easy explanation. An applet is a small program written in Java. It runs inside a web browser and is downloaded from the internet when you visit certain websites. It's not a fruit or anything related to apples. It is a mini Java application that helps web pages do special tasks, like showing animations or interactive features. Why others are wrong? 1 and 4 are about fruits, which is incorrect. 3. Browser is the software used to access the web, not an applet. 1 minute trick to remember. Applet is equal to small Java application on the web. Think applet sounds like apple, but it's actually a tiny Java program. Final answer 2. A small Java application that is downloaded from Java-based web. Next question 177. A term used to describe computers' aptitude to mimic human abilities is 1. Augmented reality. 2. Artificial intelligence. 3. Automation. 4. Big data. Correct answer 2. Artificial intelligence. Easy explanation. Artificial intelligence, AI, means making computers think and act like humans, understanding, learning, solving problems, and making decisions. For example, AI helps in voice assistants like Siri, Google Assistant, or self-driving cars. It mimics human intelligence, not just following fixed instructions. Why others are wrong? Augmented reality is about adding digital images to real-world views. Automation means machines doing tasks automatically, but not necessarily thinking like humans. Big data is about handling huge amounts of information. One minute trick to remember. Artificial intelligence is equal to computers behaving like humans. Think, AI is equal to artificial man-made plus intelligence smart thinking. Final answer 2. Artificial intelligence. Next question 178. One of the following is not a malware. 1. Trojan. 2. Rootkits. 3. Keyloggers. 4. Parallel port. Correct answer 4. Parallel port. Easy explanation. Malware means malicious software designed to harm or spy on computers. Trojan, a harmful program disguised as something useful. Rootkits, malicious software that hides deep inside the system. Keyloggers, spy software that records your keyboard typing secretly. Parallel port, however, is a hardware part, a type of connector on computers used to connect printers or other devices. It is not malware. Why others are wrong? Trojan, rootkits, and keyloggers are all types of malware designed to damage or spy on your computer. 1 minute trick to remember. If it's software meant to harm or spy is equal to malware. If it's hardware, like ports or cables, is equal to not malware. Final answer 4. Parallel port. Next question 179. DPI stands for 1. Development Parameter Index. 2. Dots per inch. 3. Dues payment installment. 4. Dense pavement ivory. Correct answer 2. Dots per inch. Easy explanation. DPI means dots per inch. It is used to measure the resolution or sharpness of images or prints. The higher the DPI, the clearer and sharper the picture or printed image. For example, printers and computer screens use DPI to show how many dots of ink or pixels appear in 1 inch. Why others are wrong? Development Parameter Index is unrelated here. Dues payment installment is a financial term, not related to computers or images. Dense pavement ivory doesn't make sense in this context. 1 minute trick to remember. DPI is equal to dots per inch is equal to think, how many tiny dots fit in 1 inch of a picture? Final answer 2 dots per inch. Next question 180. WAN stands for 1. Worldwide Area Network. 2. Web Area Network. 3. Wide Area Network. 4. Web Analysis Network. Correct answer 3. Wide Area Network. Easy explanation. WAN means Wide Area Network. It is a network that covers a large geographical area, like cities, countries, or even the whole world. The Internet is the biggest example of a WAN. It connects computers all over the world. It helps different smaller networks, like LANs, to communicate with each other across long distances. Why others are wrong? Worldwide Area Network is close but not the correct term. Web Area Network and Web Analysis Network are not correct terms. 1 minute trick to remember. WAN is equal to wide area network is equal to wide means big, covering large areas, like across cities or countries. Final answer 3. Wide area network.